Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 9, Lesson 12. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to translate an inequality. Remember, translate means it's just a fancy word for write. All right, so here we go. The sum, I know sum means plus, of a number and 3, it doesn't look like a good 3, does it? My pen's not working very well on here. Is less than or equal to 8. Okay. The product of a number, product and 5, product means multiplication, so I'm going to put it in front. 5n is greater than 20. 7 is being subtracted from a number. So remember, number has to go first because we're taking 7 away from it. Is no less. So it can't be any less than 16, right? But it can be greater. So it can be greater or equal to 16. And then 10 is fewer than the quotient of less than. Quotient means division of a number and 4. Great job. All right, now it's your turn to practice this. Go ahead and pause this video, do these 4, and then come back and see how you did. For 21, it says 3/4 of a number. So we know we're multiplying. So we're going to say 3/4, and we're going to put it right in front of n, is at least. And at least means it has to be at least 75, so equal to 75, but it can be greater than 75. All right, a number increase means addition, by 8 is greater than 20. Okay, a number divided by 5 has a minimum. Remember, it can be equal to it, but it has to be bigger. It can't be any smaller. Minimum means small, smaller than 9. And then 15 is less than 4 subtracted from a number. So number starts and we take 4 away from it. Great job. You finished Unit 9, Lesson 12. Go ahead and head back to class craft, and I'll see you back here for Lesson 13.